It was just a normal day in Orpida. But then something strange started coming. Tell me when. Blah, 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 blah. Hey, who's that gold guy? Really? Who are you, Golden Head? Everybody grab your guns! Where's it? Where's it? I knew it! Left it here somewhere. Give me a signal when you're ready. Ow! Oof! That hurt. What in the world is that? His name is... Wait, first start shooting! Pew, pew, pew! Pew, 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 pew! It's not working! Run for it! Boom, boom! My gun doesn't work! Run for it! We're gonna die! No! Oh boy! Pew, 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 pew! Calling in reinforcements! He won't die! What do you need? First response squadron, baby! Oh boy. Where's the response, people? Nothing's working! Pew, 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 pew! Ah, we're here! Where's the evil guy? Where'd he go? It doesn't die! Holy cow! Why would it not die already? Go. He's got a big scar on his chest. Are you sure he's dead? Luffy Pig's got something sticking out. Thing's creeping. Why won't it die? Hey, you guys, people, whatever you are, why won't it die? Help! Okay. Holy cow! Now he's got something stuck out in his foot. You think it's gonna get up? No. It's up. I think I'm gonna leave right now. I'm out of here. After doing that last time, I'm pretty sure he's not getting back up. Just to be certain, I'm gonna hit this button. What does it do? Oh, that's the transmitter. Beep, beep, beep. We need some heavy backup in here now.
Okay, we're just gonna lift this guy up.
Okay. Well, the medics are here. What about Loopy? Where is he? You think? Oh, darn it! Uh-oh. You think he's gonna end anytime soon? Medics! Hurry up and get out of here before you're all dead! Good thing this thing flies, too. Why didn't we fly in here? Because we didn't want anybody to know it flies? You're a moron!
Yeah, I know I am.
They're out here! 5 miles away. Why do we really pack enough gas to go 5 miles? Wasn't the hospital 2 miles back? Yeah. Why did we come out here? Because Loopy freaked us out. Okay, pause it. He's got a teleportation device. Panic and run for your lives. Okay, pause it. Ready? Go. Bye. Go. We caught Loopy at final last. Wait a minute, that's confused. Oh well, shoot him! Boom! Death. I think the translation is you missed terribly. We didn't even point our gun at him. Beep, beep. What's that? Warning light. Heavy support is coming in. Practice.
Emergency squad, coming through. Yeah, we're here.
Alright, emergency squad, disembark, prep for full engagement. Surrender, you dumb, deranged maniac. Kill it. For all weapons, take that, you dumb. Final moment. Okay, you're gonna die, Loopy. Okay, pause it. No, pause it.
Darn, I missed. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah.
Loopy, yes,
I win.
Woohoo!
Here's the entire cast of characters. Do 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 do. Asteroid!
Asteroid!
Did you pause it? Pause it! Pause it! Pause it! Pause. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching.